This is Mrs. Hall with a quick tech tip on how to link within a slideshow. As I'm gearing up for the start of the school year, I was thinking about how I can best equip my students to be self-directed learners. So I thought that having an easy way for them to access their week 1 and week 2 schedules would be the best way of equipping them and just really putting the responsibility on them. So I'm going to show you how to link that. I've already set up the schedules, so I have a slide that shows the week 1 schedule for 7th and 8th grade and the week 2 schedule. This is likely confusing for students because the schedule is rotating every other week. So I thought I could, in my Bitmoji classroom or whatever tool you're using to put out your weekly schedule to students, it would be a good way to point out what schedule they're going to have. So there's a lot of different ways to do that. One way that I could link it is by just having the text. So right here on the date. So technically our second week of school is going to be, however, the week 1, the first rotating week schedule. So if I highlight that text and then click on this insert link, I'm able to link it to any website that I want to, but also I can go ahead and click right here where it says slides in this presentation, and then I'm able to link it to that second slide. Right here in the drop-down menu, you'll be able to see whatever the slide title is. So I'm going to click on that and hit apply. It's going to take me to the week 1 schedule. Now, how do we get back? There's a lot of different ways. I can add an image, I can add a button. I'm going to add a shape actually. So I'm going to click on insert shape, and I'll just add a simple shape. Let's color it. I'll keep with my color theme here. And when I double click, I can type right in it. So I'm going to say return to weekly schedule. I can resize it. I can change the font, all those fun things. Oops. Okay, so once I have it to my satisfaction, I can then go ahead and just click on the button itself, and I should be able to link again. So I'm going to hit Insert Link, Slides and Presentation, and I'm going to link it just to the first slide and hit Apply. So here's what that's going to look like. I can now go ahead and click on that link, and it's going to take me to the first slide. So I can do this in present mode as well so that you can get a better idea of what that's going to look like for the student view. So again, here I am. This is where students are going to be able to click. I could also just add a button or a shape like I did on the previous slide. So students would click on that hyperlink. Of course, I would train them to do this, but click on that hyperlink. And then once they're here, they can quickly look at their schedule and be like, all right, here's where I need to be at this particular time. And then go back to your Bitmoji classroom where you have your weekly schedule. But I feel like this is going to be the best way of equipping them to be self-directed learners. I hope that this tech tip is helpful for you.